ban nonghikai dan ad hoc ki nonghikai ad hoc ru song ini hidup kata ban kilabu ki dawa la ta kitayo da biang yu ki nonghikai SSA ki wan ki song ini hidup kata ban raise is a problem to kata sorkar ka problem jo ki nonghikai kamdei ka batmai tam jo SSA teachers menta kilabu ki dawa la slemba padai ban siu ka tulak nanti regularly manta kemangi so ngriu banai kimpat yo itu tulak mano bala ban punya ya kayen ka sem dem don no kajing siu lan ni kan don ya ketina hamla ban sofu na kaliya ka sorkar ke daw ka sinap bat balay kam ay kata ka tulak ikini kajingkali mata sebelum chano kerja ke pisah ke badai hok ini SSA teachers ke sorkar ke dewan percaya hakmat kini kita baru buat hadu mentah ke sorkar keempat hok ini di leaders banyak penbet ngam kuah banyak ini nonghikai baru dicupai hisap buat bantang kerjap yang school. We cannot close down the schools and allow the teachers to come in the street like this every time. The government should take responsibility of the downfall of education in the state. If for a lot of weeks we saw ad hoc teachers on the street, that means ad hoc schools were closed.
Hello.
Now again we see SSA teachers on the road. That means SSA schools are also closed.
Hello, mic test.
So how long are we going to tolerate? How long are we going to tolerate this? It has affected Kalakta, ya kapule puti jikon jongi kimyo shu, ya ka jingnang jiksta jikon jongi kimyo shu balik school. Ars nem shwa ngila yo ya ka jing saja bamyo balik school namar kumenta COVID. Mandala puli ke school. Ab khangbiang namar baki strike inunka. Who is responsible for this? It is the government who is responsible. The government should come and talk to these teachers and release their pending salaries and also enhance whatever salary that they are required and try to sort out their problem. Lessen the problems of the teachers. Come to Dunai, Balay Vishusnap Man. Hey Gadao, where is the money that the central government has given? Where is the state share that is to be given? Why can't the government do it? I want to see that these teachers go back to their respective schools. I urge upon the government that the government should send back these teachers back to the schools and release their salary so that our education improves. We cannot allow this regular feature of teachers coming on the road. I urge upon the education minister that the education minister should immediately call the leaders of the SSA association and sort out this matter within this week. We will not tolerate to see teachers every time coming on the road. That's all I have to say. Galong ni man badon ke assembly galong bandung kong MLA ban raise issues in kinahita ya ka kam jo ke SSA ala pam ludet uba Aristotle rembay ubadai president ujung ayana yaki detail pangadi president ako assembly nam jung miss man ke assembly bang trend pang ka juba pangayo no education minister ba ujian berjuba wong matter is under examination. Now kata kemudian matter is under examination. Kalau ya mentah baru sausnya.
Yes, sir.
Nadu ar hajar khatra. Nadu ar hajar khatra ngargai si isu Mata anda examination haduk kan ni khidmat. Ka assembly ka bak haduk kan long hau benai September Oktober. Dia hang taru. Ngan sayo snow ya kata kaju di bab. Mata anda examination. Kali iu kan ni ke sorkar. Balai kan ni ke sorkar ka snap man. Balai kan pensyai sikin nikai. Ke ke jinge to ka sorkar. Lada om dan pisah to pakai ke bom. Lada om la ban siu tulap to ongi la ban siu tulap tengin kan no ki school. Nonghikai kim day bakin shem jinjar. Mentah gini nonghikai baru kishong jindum. Ka sorkar ka ain ka ain kan snap ka. That is the problem. Mo? Okay, thank you.